Hello student. Today we are going to start Science 2nd Standard 9th Chapter 7th Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. Food chains, some topics are explained there. Food chains and food web. The energy pyramids, biogeochemical cycle. In this cycle there are three cycles: carbon, oxygen and nitrogen cycle. Environment. Environment means the natural surrounding and external conditions of an organism, which include all living and non-living factors that affect the organism. This is called as environment. For example, our surrounding trees, human beings and animals are all of environments. Organism is the basic unit of an ecological hierarchy, can be unicellular such as the amoeba and parasites, or multicellular such as the humans. Populations, a group of individuals of same species inhabiting a given geographical area at a particular time and functioning as a unit. Community, including all individuals of the different species living within a certain geographical area. This is called as community. Ecosystem, includes the both living and non-living components of an area. For example, animal, plants, water, stones are all things. Biosphere, the sum of the total all the ecosystems of their interactions. It is a biosphere. Components of an ecosystem, biological factors, abiotic factor first, the non-living components like as a light, temperature, water, air, etc. Biotic factors, living things, means all human beings, animals, trees, all things. Atmosphere means autotrophs or producers, organisms that can manufacture their own food from the inorganic raw material is known as producer. For example, grass, it grows itself. Heterotrophs cannot synthesize their own food, depends on the other animals for their food requirement. For example, deer is depend on the grass, and lion is depend on the deer. The herbivorous are the primary consumers, the food only on a plant, for example deers, horse, sheep, etc. Carnivorous or secondary consumers, eat the other animal, for example frog, cat, spider, etc. Omnivorous, feed on both plants and animals, for example bear, man, etc. Decomposer, obtain the nutrients by breaking down the remains of dead plants and animals, including the some bacteria and fungi. The function of ecosystem, there are two functions of ecosystem. First is a productivity, the rate of productions of organic matter, food, by producers. And second is a decompositions or recycling of nutrients, break down the organic matter or biogas within the help of decomposer. For example, the animals are dead, they decompose by the with the help of bacteria, fungi. This is a decompositions of energy of the decomposer. Next is energy flow through an ecosystem. Trophic level, the level of species in ecosystems on the basis of their source of nutrition. Producer, from the first trophic level they manufacture the food. Trophic level are connected through the food chains. Food chains are linear sequence of organisms in which each organism is eaten by an next member in the sequence. For example, plants eats the grasshoppers eats the frogs eats the eagle. Generalize the food chain. The producer, herbivorous or primary consumers, then to the carnivorous or secondary consumers, to the omnivorous or tertiary consumers, to the decomposer. This is the food chain, and they are classified. First, primary consumers, herbivorous, for example grasshopper, squirrel, elephant, etc. They are directly depend on the autotrophs producers. Secondary consumers, carnivores, for example frog, owl, fox, etc. Thus consumers use the herbivorous as their food. Apex or top consumer, carnivores, for example tiger, lion, etc. Thus consumers use the herbivorous and carnivorous as their food. No other animal feed on the top consumers. Omnivorous or mixed consumer, for example humans, bear, etc. feed on the herbivorous and the carnivorous. The food chain is explaining here. Some of those use the sun rays and the grass are grows. This grass eats the grasshoppers. Grasshopper eats the frog eats the snakes eats the eagles, and eagles are dead and then decompose, again start growing the grass. That is a food chains. Every member in this food chains are depend on each others, and they affect each other. One member is a less, then food chain is a break. So everyone understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks once again for watching.